Severe abdominal bloating that stretches the belly painfully tight and restricts normal breathing.
Intense, cramping abdominal pain that strikes in sharp waves and doubles the body over.
Chronic severe constipation with rock-hard stools, constant straining, and no relief.
Explosive, urgent diarrhea that strikes without warning and drains energy completely.
Rapid post-meal bloating that visibly swells the abdomen within minutes of eating.
Torturous alternation between extreme constipation and sudden watery diarrhea.
Persistent nausea that lingers heavily for hours, turning every meal into misery. Frequent burning acid reflux, rising painfully into the throat and chest. Chronic halitosis so persistent that no oral hygiene can mask the foul odor.
Constant indigestion and overfull sensation, even from tiny portions of food.
Sudden food intolerances, triggering immediate reactions to once safe foods.
Severe malabsorption, starving the body of essential nutrients over time.
Debilitating chronic fatigue, unrelieved by rest or sleep of any length.
Crushing midday energy crashes that halt all productivity abruptly.
Deep muscle weakness, making simple tasks feel impossibly heavy.
Persistent brain fog, clouding every thought and decision. Intense, uncontrollable sugar cravings, driven by pathogenic demands. Unexplained weight gain, despite unchanged diet and activity.
Difficulty losing weight, even with strict efforts and exercise.
Erratic blood sugar spikes from impaired gut regulation.
Vitamin and mineral deficiencies manifesting systemically.
Overwhelming general malaise and body-wide heaviness.
Deepening depressive moods and loss of interest in life.
Irritability and rapid mood swings over minor issues.
Disrupted sleep patterns with frequent waking and unrest.
Reduced motivation and profound apathy toward daily tasks.
Memory lapses and forgetfulness becoming frequent.
Rosacea with persistent facial redness and flushing.
Hive or welts appearing after trigger foods. Chronically dry and flaky skin unresponsive to moisturizers. Dull dehydrated skin layers, malabsorption starving dermal nutrients.
Frequent minor infections due to weakened immunity.
Worsening seasonal allergies and sensitivities.
Slow healing of even small cuts and wounds.
Noticeable hair thinning and increased shedding.
Joint aches and stiffness without injury or overuse.
Recurrent migraines triggered by gut imbalance.
Leaky gut with harmful particles escaping barrier.
Severely reduced microbial diversity in gut ecosystem. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth causing premature fermentation.
Near total destruction of oral health from systemic Candida spread.
Whole body low-grade chronic inflammation from gut origin.
Weakened overall immune defense against everyday threats.
Heightened stress response, amplifying every pressure.
Don't forget the dry cleaning.
Tired eye.
Autoimmune-like flares in joints or tissues.
Progression of worsening if dysbiosis ignored long-term.
Mucus in stool as a sign of ongoing gut irritation.
Genital or rectal itching from microbial spillover. Painful urination hints from urinary microbiome impact. Dandruff or scalp issues tied to skin-gut axis.
Recurrent vaginal or urinary infections.
Tooth decay acceleration from oral dysbiosis link.
Bleeding gums or gingivitis worsening.
Near total destruction of oral health due to unchecked Candida overgrowth from severe gut dysbiosis, leading to chronic inflammation and nutrient deficiencies.
Systemic nutrient starvation, leading to hair and nail fragility.
Chronic low energy despite seeming adequate rest.
Immune exhaustion, making recovery from illness prolonged.
Critical warning. Untreated dysbiosis erodes health relentlessly. Seek professional guidance before irreversible damage sets in.